Hello, Amir here. So this is the Excel file based on which I have developed the web dashboard. So we have various columns including the required quantity, approximate unit price, stock quantity, quantity to be purchased, total price, sensitivity, shelf life or non-shelf life. We have the procurement cycle. We have the tendering type, which is a limited tender or category, subcategory, services, source, difficulty level, and etc. So now let us move towards the dashboard. So this is a HTML single page application. I write the title, project ABC, quantity for example 1000 kits, and I select the dashboard file. So here we have the dashboard. So these cards give us a quick summary of total bill of materials from 2.5 million. Uh, Purchases need to be done for 16 million. 6.5 million is in stock. This plus this should be equal to this. 283 line items are to be purchased. 283 line items are in the BOM. 11 line items in stock, completely covered by the stock. 3 partially covered. 272 line items to be purchased. We have different kind of filters. Top 5 items by cost. Top 10, top 20 line items by cost. Shelf life. We have different, all the filters. We can see the total for mechanical. This is a table for the filtered line items. In the mechanical, we can see the manufactured, and everything updates automatically, as you can see. Right? Foreign versus local, sourcing difficulty. Vendor wise, we can see how different top 6 vendors, how the total cost is distributed. 15.4 million for the top 6 vendors out of 16 million. We can calculate for each vendor also. And there is a theme changer also. We can export to PDF also. We can change the file.